All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with another air fryer recipe for the Power XL, and today we're gonna be working on that steak button. Let's go. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is preheat my air fryer, turn it on, hit that steak button, add 3 more minutes to the default time. So it's gonna be preheating for 3 minutes, and then when it hits 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and put our steak in the air fryer. All right, so we got our boneless chuck steak, nothing fancy. And I got my Grill Mate spicy Montreal steak seasoning by McCormick. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and liberally season this over the top and the bottom. And then when the preheating is done on the air fryer, we're gonna go ahead and throw it on in there. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna just get it on there. All right, so I'm gonna just get it on there nice and liberal. I'm gonna flip that bad boy over. Hit her again. All right, and our air fryer is at 11 minutes. So in just a moment, I'm gonna go ahead and put the 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and get the air fryer ready. All right, so it's nice and preheated. Gonna spray it with some olive oil cooking spray. All right, so I got her sprayed down, and you're gonna hear that sizzle when the steak hits the air fryer. Listen. Boo! You didn't hear much, but it's preheated. Best believe it's at 400 degrees, and we're gonna go ahead and get it. Into the air fryer. All right. 400 degrees is gonna be cooking for about 10 minutes, and we'll be back with the finished result. Yes, sir. All right, see, we're at the 4-minute mark. Let's see where we at. Woo! Ain't that looking nice already? All right. All right, so the air fryer is automatically turning off. It has been the full 10 minutes on 400 degrees in the Power XL air fryer. Let's see what we're working with. Let's see what we 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 working with. Woo, baby! All right, I'm gonna get it on the plate, cut it up, and I'm gonna tell y'all what's happening. All right, y'all. So I know that might not be the best angle, but getting ready to cut into her and see what we working with. Nice and tender. And see, I'm not really a steak guy, and so cooking them is kind of hard for me. So, you know, this is a very easy way to do it. All right, so I could have pulled it out earlier if for those of y'all that like a little pink in there. This is what we're working with. Let's take a bite. Phenomenal. And I ain't even really a steak kind of guy. So definitely give it a try. It was well worth the wait, especially like I said, man, if you're not really good at cooking steaks, it makes it real easy. You know, you might be doing a ketogenic diet, low carb, and you want to get you a nice steak in, go ahead and throw it up in your air fryer. Preferably that Power XL. Let's go. All right, guys, so if I could have changed anything, I would have took it out a little earlier to have it a little less well done. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with this A1 sauce. You know, a lot of people say if steak needs sauce and you ain't cook it right. You might be absolutely right, but for somebody who's not the best at cooking steaks and wants an easy, kind of quick way to do it, hassle-free, this definitely satisfied my taste buds. It met my criteria. But I hope everybody's having a wonderful blessed day. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, please comment, and please share. Thank you for your time. Sound of the Rain, Attack of the Red Ranger Volume 1, mixtape coming soon.